after this Rakhtitram, you were very famous with Gabbar Singh.
Gabbar Singh, yeah.
These are the like unknown. I think people see you with that, recognize you with that also. So how that journey started?
Yeah, that journey was also very good because I got in touch with Hari Shankar, and then of course met Pawan Kalyan sir, and it was a unbelievable. The process was very fast, and we could finish the film within 6 months' time, I guess. And in 1 year's time, the film was released, and it was a huge hit, which was just unbelievable. I was sitting in Patna, I was talking to my parents and all, and then Harish called me and he said, "You must come to Hyderabad today just to see the reaction of the public, what we have done."
Yeah,
I said, "I can't come here because I'm sitting in Patna at my rooftop."
Yeah. So, sir, what do you say, like Pawan Kalyan Garu, like now he's minister and handling such a responsible position, and that time being an actor, do you see a change? I mean, after, because you're working.
So busy.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's become very busy. He doesn't have time now. So hats off to him that he's managing cinema and politics together. It's not everybody's cup of tea.
But you see a change now, and that Pawan Kalyan Garu.
Not really.
That time
he's
he
the
used to
same
spend,
person,
yeah.
but yeah, of course now he's surrounded and with a lot many people, and he's just running out of time. All.
But earlier, sir, I want to say when you were working with your movie Gabbar Singh, he was just an actor.
Yeah.
Now in OG, he is a minister. So, for how was you take the experience, like
For me, he
a
is an
minister
actor
and
only.
yeah, you are just is an actor. You
Yeah,
don't-
I'm just acting with him. For him, I'm just a co-actor, and that's it. Because I feel that he's a good actor. He's a wonderful human being, and that's what matters most for me.
Okay.
So him being a politician is not going to impact my performance in front of him,
But,
because if it does, too bad. So yeah.
So, any moment you remember in OG meeting or discussing
Yeah, meeting
some
and
memories?
yeah, hugging and yeah, like old time sakes, we started talking. He said, "This time the character is little different and all that." I said, "Yeah, we." Then again, we were supposed to do a movie together, but the dates clashed with Lucifer 2, and I could not do that film.
Okay.
But every time, it's so nice of Pawan sir that whenever he is doing a film, he remembers me and he tells the director to, call me and